Hello friends, again I am here with work and wages problem number 3. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, CAT, MAT, GMAT, SSC, Railway exam, UPSC exam, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. A and B take a piece of work for rupees 28,000. A alone could do it in 36 days, B in 48 days. With the assistance of an expert, they finish it in 12 days. How much renunciation the expert should get? 10, rupees 10,000, rupees 12,000, rupees 16,000 or rupees 18,000. So for this, A, B and expert. So uh, A plus B plus expert. So they do work in A alone do in 36 days, B alone 48 days, and A plus B plus expert they can finish it in 12 days. So let total work equal to LCM of 36, 48 and 12. So this is equal to 144. Now efficiency. Efficiency of A, B and A plus B plus E. E is expert. A plus B plus E expert. So efficiency of A equal to, this is equal to 144 upon 36, B 144 upon 48 and A plus B plus E equal to 148 upon 12. So this is equal to 4, this is equal to 3 and this is equal to 12. So their ratio is 4, 3 and 12. And sum of A plus B is 7 and A plus B plus E is 12. So E equal to, E's portion is 5. So we can say that efficiency of A, or we can say A is to B is to E. This is 4 is to 3 is to 5. सबका मिला के 12 है and A plus B equal to 7. So E's ratio is 5. Therefore, we can say that, therefore, experts share, this is equal to 5 upon 12, means 12 में से 5 part into total how much amount? 28,000. 28,000, this is given here, that is, it is given. Total money is 28,000. So expert share is 5 by 12 into 28,000. So this is equal to rupees 12,000. So our answer is 12,000. It means B is the correct answer. In this video, I explained how to find the share of expert. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.